Hey everyone, let's finish setting up the town and any kind of the background information that we need for this cozy mystery series. So I'm going to jump back in here. This is Claude, this is projects. Let it load. There we go. Nice, so we have annual events. We have a lot of cute places. We'll have to make sure that anyone, like the people who work at this restaurant down here, we'll have to make sure that they stay consistent. But open that back up because I want to add content. Copy this. Go. Add content. Okay, so let's do smart. Do we want to do outlines or jump right into the book? Let's go ahead and jump right into the book. I'm doing a separate conversation just because this one I want to keep mostly brainstorming, things like that. This one I want to jump right into actually creating it, talking about tone, going through revisions of that first chapter so that the chapters after that first one are really on key with my style that I want to do. Okay, that's a basic overview of the style. I'm going to go back there because I want to keep this open. I like to keep this open just in case we have anything kind of world information that we need to add. Okay. Good. Make it at least 2,000 words. Third person, past tense. Okay, it's going well. Not a lot of purple. Not a lot of extra stuff. Okay, yes. It doesn't make sense to introduce him if we haven't actually met him. Okay. So with that in mind, let's take a look at it. Not a lot of purple. This isn't bad. Okay. Okay. Cool. I don't love starting the day off, or starting the chapter off with the day. That's something that's very AI. where you started in the morning, you ended at night, and it's fine, but let me see if we did that in book or in chapter 1. No, we didn't. Okay. Start it if it didn't start at the beginning of the day. Let's get an alternative. There we go. Okay. Is it too short though? Maybe a little short. Let's see here. Okay. Not terrible. I'll wait for it to finish and then I'll ask it this. Okay. There we go. Two very solid first chapters. And then this way we kind of know where we're going. We have a good idea of how to move forward. Just a little bit of revising. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Is it perfect? No. Does it still need edits? Absolutely. But are we closer to where we'll be at the final? Absolutely. And this is much closer to publication than the very first version. So, yeah, very happy with these first two chapters. I'm going to try to keep these videos about 15 minutes, just very quick, jumping in kind of videos. And I'll be posting them a lot more this week. We will probably get the first book done this week, at least the draft of it, and then take kind of a look overall at it and how we can improve it, and then go on to book 2. Remember, there's like 20 books in this series, so it's going to be a lot. But it'll be a fun challenge. And thank you all for being here as usual. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you like this series so far, if you like the idea of it. I'm going to post an excerpt of the first chapter in with this video. But thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it.